Welcome to this lesson on timing expressions in English. In this video, you will learn how to describe when things happen using common English phrases. Understanding timing expressions is essential for clear communication about schedules, appointments, and daily activities. Timing expressions are words and phrases that tell us when an action happens. They help us communicate the exact moment or time period of an event. For example, we might say, "I wake up early in the morning," to describe when we wake up. These expressions are important because they make our communication clear and specific about when things occur. The word early means before the expected or usual time. We use it when something happens sooner than normal. For example, she arrived early to the meeting means she came before the scheduled time. We can also say early in the morning to describe the beginning of the day. An early bird is someone who wakes up or arrives early. These phrases help us express that something happened before we expected it to. The word late means after the expected or usual time. We use it when something happens later than planned. For example, the train arrived late this morning means it came after the scheduled time. We can say late at night to describe the hours close to morning when most people are sleeping. We can also say late in the afternoon to mean toward the end of the afternoon. These expressions help us communicate when something happened after we expected it to. There are other important timing expressions to know. On time means at exactly the right moment, not early or late. For example, the bus arrived on time today tells us it came at the exact scheduled time. Just in time means arriving at the last possible moment before something ends. For example, he finished the project just in time means he completed it right before the deadline. Right on time emphasizes that something happened at exactly the scheduled time, like the meeting started right on time. We can also describe timing by dividing the day into periods. In the morning refers to the early part of the day. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. In the afternoon describes the middle part of the day. For example, we have a meeting in the afternoon. In the evening refers to the later part of the day. For example, I watch television in the evening. These expressions help us organize our daily activities and communicate when things happen throughout the day. Prepositions are small words that connect timing expressions with other parts of a sentence. The preposition at is used with specific times and moments. For example, at 3 o'clock or at midnight. The preposition during is used within a time period or event. For example, during the movie or during lunch. The preposition before indicates earlier than a specific time. For example, before 8 in the morning or before dinner. Understanding these prepositions helps you use timing expressions correctly in sentences. Let us review the key points from this lesson. First, use early to express that something happened before the expected time. Second, use late to express that something happened after the expected time. Third, combine timing expressions with time periods to be more specific and clear. For example, you can say early in the morning or late at night. Finally, practice using these expressions in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Thank you for watching this lesson on early and late timing expressions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.